Yes.
Hello guys, so today we are going to show you how you can make laying nests using these cooking oil cans, jerrycans. Like for example for this one, so you can use it to make your own laying nest boxes, so that we can prevent something like this when something like this, yes, these broken eggs in the laying nest. So today we have a master here who is going to teach us on how you can make laying nests for your chicken using these cooking jerry cans that have been used for oil. So is it recycling or reusing? Yes, one of them. So let's get started. Kijana ni ngumu. Tumie wengine sasa. Mbona kuna wasiwasi?
Gani?
Unajua ni paka hapo nusu. So this is our craftsman. His name is Mankevo. Yes, this is Mankevo. He's doing his work. Mankevo is always a master of many things. Jack of all trades, master of none. The master himself is really struggling. As you can see, there's still some oil in the can. So we have finished the first one. It's as simple as this one, as you can see. So we'll go to show you the next step. So let Mankevo go on with the others so that he can finish. Yes, Mankevo, you can head to the second one. Yes, Mankevo. So we are using oil jerrycans to make laying nests so that we can prevent these, as I can say, I've said these ones can prevent these broken eggs. Because if you don't have enough laying nests, you'll have many broken eggs in the nest. Yes, so that is what we are trying to prevent when you are making these jerrycans. These ones are very cheap. The cost of producing one of these is like only $1, so it is quite cheap. So this is a trickery of which anyone can use, and they will be able to make their own laying nests at home very cheaply. Yes. So Master Kevo is doing his craft. As you can see, the man himself. Yes. He's a very talented young man. Yes. Yeah, he's a man of many talents. Yes. As you can see, this is the problem of not having enough laying boxes. So you can see there's an egg in the bush. Imagine, a hen has just laid an egg right now in the bush. So this is the problem of not having enough laying boxes. Yes. It's a very big problem. Yes. The recommended number of laying boxes for a chicken is 5 chicken for 1 laying box. That is which is recommended. But if you have less than that, it means you'll get so many flow eggs and so many broken eggs, and also the flow egg like this one, whereby a chicken decides to lay in the bush. Yes. So guys, make sure you have 1 laying nest for every 5 laying chicken. Yes, that is the appropriate number. So guys, make sure you take that into consideration. Yes, as Mankevo is continuing with this craft, you can see some chicken here are sunbathing. They are sunbathing so that they can remove mites, fleas. This is the importance of rearranging your chicken. So when they sunbathe like this, they are removing their mites and fleas from their body. And also you can add using the apple cider vinegar, which helps a lot. And also this satisfies one of the aspects of the chicken. Yes, you see how they are enjoying. So make sure you free range your chicken so that they can have some enjoyment of such things in the wild. Don't just enclose them all through. So this is the future, man. Poultry farming, man. Yeah. Yes, as you can see, Mankevo is continuing with this craft. Yes, Mankevo himself. So guys, after slicing it by Mankevo, you make sure you add bedding. Yes, as you can see, this you are using wood shavings, but you can also use grass, dry grass, as the bedding for your chicken, so that you cannot get broken eggs. Yes. So let me show you. Yes. As you can see, this is how we get the eggs from the coop. Yes, these are the eggs. After some time now, you are removing the eggs.